Okay, so we're doing tonight honey garlic stir fry a la Senor Pablo. So we got some veggies sauteing here and garlic and butter. There's our pork over here, little pork chop, honey garlic marinated pork chops. And the rice back there, we'll do it over rice. And of course, to keep the cook happy, doing some tequila. Okay, we'll show you the finished product later. Okay, now that our stir fry is done. Hey Norm! And there it is there. A little bit of rice. And honey garlic pork chops and veggies, and we're good to go. Okay, bye for now.